How an ERP consultant converted into AI ERP Specialist. Background: Jason was an ERP consultant, helping organizations implement and optimize enterprise resource planning systems. While he enjoyed his work, he became increasingly interested in how AI could enhance ERP systems and improve business processes. The transition. To transition into AI, Jason began taking courses on AI technologies and their applications in ERP systems. He focused on understanding how machine learning could be integrated into ERP solutions to provide predictive analytics and automate decision-making. However, he soon realized that mastering the technical aspects of AI was more complex than he anticipated. Personal coaching. To gain a better understanding, Jason sought the help of a personal coach who specialized in AI and ERP systems. His coach helped him develop a structured learning plan, focusing on key concepts such as AI-driven analytics, automation, and system integration. They worked on projects that simulated real-world ERP challenges, allowing Jason to apply his knowledge effectively. Challenges. Jason faced challenges in grasping the technical details of AI algorithms and how they could be applied in ERP scenarios. At times, he felt overwhelmed by the rapid pace of technological advancements. However, his coach encouraged him to approach these challenges with curiosity and resilience, helping him develop a positive mindset. Outcome: with his coach's support, Jason successfully transitioned to the role of AI ERP Specialist, receiving multiple job offers from organizations eager to leverage his unique blend of ERP experience and AI knowledge. His coach assisted him in refining his resume and preparing for interviews, emphasizing his ability to integrate AI technologies into existing ERP systems. Jason ultimately accepted a position at a leading consulting firm known for its innovative ERP solutions. Impact: in his new role, Jason designs and implements AI-driven enhancements to ERP systems that optimize resource allocation and improve decision-making. His contributions have led to significant improvements in operational efficiency, allowing companies to leverage data-driven insights for better business outcomes. Jason is passionate about his work and often shares his journey, emphasizing the importance of personal coaching in helping him achieve his career goals.